Are foldable phones durable? Foldable phones are the latest innovation in mobile technology, offering a unique user experience with a larger screen that folds into a compact size. However, there is one big question mark hanging over them: durability. This guide will explore the current state of foldable phone durability, helping you decide if they are the right choice for you. Buying links are given below in the description box, just go and check out. Foldable phone versus smartphone. Durability concerns. Traditional smartphones, often nicknamed slab phones, have a solid design that doesn't fold. This makes them generally resistant to light drops, scratches, and daily wear and tear, not as strong as rugged smartphones. Foldable phones, on the other hand, introduce several new elements that can be vulnerable. The hinge. The hinge is the heart of a foldable phone, allowing it to open and close. Early iterations had issues with the hinges, as dust and debris could cause damage. However, manufacturers like Samsung have made strides in hinge design, often incorporating dust-resistant brushes. The foldable display. The foldable display is a marvel of engineering, but it's also a potential weak point. These displays are made from a special plastic material that's more susceptible to scratches and creases compared to traditional glass displays. While some manufacturers have improved their scratch resistance, they still require more care. Samsung's Z Flip 5 offers more than just improved durability. It also boasts top-tier performance, according to our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 review, and a large cover display, though the cameras and display quality are very similar to what's come before from the brand. Unfortunately, while the newly designed hinge eliminates the gap when the case is closed, its design can look a little lackluster compared to the Motorola Razr's vibrant colors and sleek vegan leather finish. That design is lacking in the waterproofing department, though, as it only has an IP52 rating, a very low waterproof rating, compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5's much higher IPX8 rating.